Most people want to earn more, but almost no one talks about the mind behind money. Your income and your mindset are two powerful forces that shape your financial reality. Here's the truth. Your income grows only as much as your mindset allows. Your bank balance is simply a reflection of your money mindset. That mindset is built from your beliefs, your habits, and your decisions about money. Today, I'll show you the 10 money mindset shifts that rich people live by. Once you apply them, wealth becomes a natural outcome. Welcome to Money Mastery, your step-by-step guide to financial freedom and wealth creation. 10 powerful money mindset shifts separate wealthy thinking from broke thinking, and mastering them can transform your financial destiny. The broke mindset hopes for more money, while the rich mindset actively creates it by generating value. When you build value through skills, ideas, and creativity, your income automatically rises because money follows value. The second shift is about controlling your money instead of letting it control you. Most people react to money with panic and stress, but rich people plan, organize, and automate it strategically. When you control your money, you gain confidence, while reacting to it leads to regret. The third belief is that every rupee or dollar must have a specific job. Rich people treat money like employees, giving each unit a clear purpose and responsibility. Money with a job works for you and grows, while money without direction simply disappears. The fourth shift warns that small leaks destroy big wealth over time. Daily coffee, delivery apps, subscriptions, and lifestyle creep silently accumulate to kill your long-term financial growth. The fifth belief recognizes that time is more valuable than money. You can always earn more money, but you can never earn more time. Rich people trade money for investing, automation, delegation, and technology to free their time instead of trading time for money. The sixth shift makes investing your first expense, not your last. The middle class spends first and saves what remains, while the rich invest first and spend what remains. Treat investing like rent, a bill you must pay every month without exception. The seventh belief connects learning speed to earning speed. Your income directly reflects your skill level, making them essentially equivalent. Rich people invest heavily in knowledge, skills, mentors, and courses because learning compounds faster than money. The eighth shift reveals that your network is a shortcut to wealth. Your circle influences your conversations, environment, energy, and ultimately your income through the opportunities that naturally appear. The ninth belief prioritizes long-term freedom over short-term pleasure. Choosing comfort and instant gratification destroys future freedom, while discipline creates permanent wealth. Discipline leads to consistency, then long-term growth, and finally permanent wealth in that specific order. The 10th and final belief is that money is a tool, not a master. Poor mindsets fear money. Middle-class mindsets worship it, but rich mindsets use it as a tool they control. Money is not your master. Money is your servant. These 10 shifts tie together to reveal one essential truth about wealth. How you think matters more than how much you earn, because wealth begins with mindset before it shows up in your bank account. If this video helped shift your thinking, let's keep the momentum going. Show your support by hitting like, subscribe, and the bell icon so you never miss an update. Weekly money wisdom awaits you, delivered straight to your feed. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder to carry forward. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep mastering your financial journey one step at a time. Your money deserves attention, and that's exactly what Money Mastery is here to help you achieve.